Hi, I'm Kathy with Level Up RN. In this video, I will be discussing Dantrolene, which is a direct-acting muscle relaxant. And at the end of the video, I'm going to give you guys a little quiz to test your understanding of some of the key facts from the video. So be sure to stay for that. And if you have our Level Up RN Pharmacology flashcards, go ahead and pull out your flashcard on direct-acting muscle relaxants so you can follow along with me and pay close attention to the bold red text on the back of the card because those are the things that you are likely to be tested on. Dantrolene is a direct-acting muscle relaxant. So unlike most muscle relaxants, which act on the central nervous system, Dantrolene acts on the skeletal muscle itself. This medication is used to treat muscle spasms due to spinal cord injury or disorders such as cerebral palsy and multiple sclerosis. Our cool chicken hint to help you remember this medication is to think Dan got run over by a trolley and sadly became a paraplegic. He now requires Dantrolene for muscle spasms. Dantrolene is also used to treat malignant hyperthermia, which is a life-threatening reaction to certain anesthetic agents that are used in surgery. It affects individuals with a certain gene mutation and causes symptoms such as a high fever and muscle rigidity. In terms of mode of action, Dantrolene prevents the release of calcium in the skeletal muscles, which in turn prevents muscle contractions and leads to muscle relaxation. For patients taking oral Dantrolene for muscle spasms, common side effects include drowsiness, muscle weakness, and gastrointestinal upset. In addition, Dantrolene carries a black box warning due to the risk for hepatotoxicity or liver damage. Therefore, this medication is contraindicated in patients with active liver disease. In terms of nursing care, the patient's liver function should be monitored throughout therapy, and you should advise your patient to report signs and symptoms of liver damage immediately, such as dark urine, clay-colored stools, and yellowing of the skin and eyes. All right, it's quiz time, and I have 3 questions for you. Question number 1. Dantrolene decreases muscle spasticity by enhancing GABA activity in the central nervous system. True or false? The answer is false. Dantrolene acts directly on the skeletal muscles and not on the central nervous system to decrease muscle spasms. Question number 2. Dantrolene is used to treat blank, which is a life-threatening reaction to certain anesthetic agents used during surgery. The answer is malignant hyperthermia. And question number 3. What black box warning is associated with oral Dantrolene? The answer is an increased risk of hepatotoxicity or liver damage. All right, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, be sure to hit that like button. Take care and good luck with studying. We invite you to subscribe to our channel and share a link with your classmates and friends in nursing school. And if you found value in this video, be sure to hit that like button and let us know what you found to be particularly helpful.